Hi guys, this is Angie
and Brandi, and today we're going to give you tips on how to make new friends.
Idea number 1, give a compliment. People like to be noticed.
Hey girl, are you new here?
Yeah.
I love your red lipstick.
Thank you, I like your hair.
Idea number 2, introduce yourself. Eye contact and a smile helps.
My name's Angie, what's your name?
My name's Brandi, nice to meet you.
Likewise, Brandi.
Idea number 3, listen and encourage. Kindness always wins.
Hey, what's wrong? Why are you looking so sad? I just feel sad because I feel like nobody likes me. People probably think I'm weird. Well, I think you're cool. You shouldn't worry about what other people think and just stay focused on yourself and what makes you happy.
Idea number 4, give an invitation to join a game, activity, or to talk with you.
Hey, I noticed you're sitting alone. Do you want to play basketball? Sure, let's shoot some hoops. Okay, but I'm Kobe.
Another tip on being a good friend is being a good listener. Get off your phone when your friend's talking.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to PALS channel.